This Center, Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Pelton. Pleasing curb appeal surrounds this family-oriented home nestled in a quiet cel-de-sac. You will appreciate the comfortable, open and inviting floor plan. Spacious kitchen affords ample opportunity for entertaining with a large breakfast bar complete with granite countertops and an open entry to the living area. The covered patio in a large backyard could easily accommodate a pool and/or an outdoor kitchen. The master boasts a great custom closet, approximately 8x9. The master bath has dual sinks, ample storage and a large shower. Utility room comes complete with washer and dryer. Move-in ready. Don't let this one get away. For more information, review the details below.